What's up guys, my name is Judson. I live here in Fort Lauderdale and today I'm going to tell you about my Grace 2.0. This is the second version of the Velowave Grace, so let's dive right in. So first we're going to talk about the battery. It is a 48 volt removable battery, which means if you guys wanted to, you can take out this battery, swap in another one, have another one in your backpack, so that you can really maximize the range on this bike. With each battery, you're going to get about 60 plus miles of range. So really you guys aren't going to have to be charging this that often at all. It also comes with a 750 watt motor, which gets you up to a max speed of 28 miles per hour. So guys, if you're looking for something with speed, you definitely got what you need right here. So guys, this bike actually comes with a flat tire, which means you can take it all over the city. You can take it in grass, you can take it off-road, you can take it on the street, you can take it on the sidewalk. This is an all-terrain flat tire, so you guys are going to be able to maximize the potential of this bike. So guys, if you also want to use this as a regular bicycle, it actually also has a 7-gear Shimano system built into it. In addition guys, you got two disc brakes, one in the front, one in the back. So guys, on top of that, we have an adjustable seat, and then you also have a screen monitor, which allows you to shift this bike up to 5 different pedal assist modes. So guys, on the back, you are actually going to have a brake light for safeties. You also have a front light right here in the front. On top of that, guys, you have a back rear rack, which will allow you to customize this bike. If you wanted to put an additional seat, if you wanted to put storage, if you wanted to put just something to allow you to take groceries or whatnot, this bike really does have it all. If you guys want any more information about the second version of the Velowave Grace, go ahead and click down the link below and visit velowave.com. I will see you guys there.